is Sushmita and you are watching That Versatile Girl. So by the title you must be knowing कि आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. So this is all about affordable makeup. So create a beautiful glam look. वो glam है कि नहीं, that you will decide, and how can you get a very good makeup look using limited product and using so affordable product. And I guess it's under 500. It's not about like under 1000, it's under 500 you will be getting all the products. So like I'm really excited. I don't know how exactly this will turn into, but I hope that you will like it. So let's get started. I just tied my hair ताकि disturbance ना हो. So I'll start with my primer. This is NYBay primer and all the links to the product and pricing will be in the description. You can check that out. So इसको हम थोड़ा सा लेंगे, this much only, and इसको बहुत अच्छे से rub करेंगे and we'll press it. We won't massage it but we'll press it. And जहाँ पे आपके pores हैं आपको वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से press करना है. And guys, look, I have two options for affordable range. For the foundation, I have a BB cream and Maybelline Fit Me का sample piece because I don't use it. Fit Me ka I use a Superstay foundation, but it will be like towards the expensive side, so that's why I'm not using. So I will be using this BB cream for an affordable range. So let's see how this BB cream will help us to get the glam look. Okay, so I will be taking 1 pump, 2 pump. So first of all हम लोग इसको dot करके कर लेंगे. I will be using my blender to blend this out. Okay, so I'm done with my base and this is what it looks. ये थोड़ा सा sheer look देगा because it's a BB cream, not a full coverage का foundation. और मैंने 2 pumps लिए थे, so this will be like the base. So moving towards the concealer, and I will be using this NYBay shade number 1 Ivory for my concealer, and this is one shade lighter to my skin tone, so that ये थोड़ा सा lift up देगा face को. So this is what, और इसका review मैंने किया हुआ है, so you can check that out. और इसको हम लोग अपने under eye में करेंगे as a V, so that ये थोड़ा सा lift up करे face को, and on the bridge of my nose, and this highlighting stuff, this one and this. For the blending I will be using my same sponge, so you can see like ये थोड़ा सा कितना light up हो गया, like this area and this area looking so beautiful. So exactly this is that's why I use a concealer a shade lighter to my shade. Now we will be heading towards the translucent powder. So the affordable one is this Blue Heaven Sapphire one, and it's like so amazing product, you guys. It's like so amazing. I really loved it. So you need to place it under your eye. It has a beautiful fragrance, you guys, like so beautiful fragrance. For this powder जहाँ पे मैंने concealer apply किया हुआ है. So for the contouring we have this thing. Okay, so this is these two are the versatile palette I have. To be honest, I don't have a contour, I don't have a blusher, I don't have a highlighter. So what I do, I'll show it to you right now. So definitely I will be using the eyeshadow palettes to complete my makeup look. So yes, so let's get started with the contour, so which I will be using this shade and this in a mix. So we'll dust the excess and give a precise look like this, and we will blend it upwards. Okay, can you see this? It's like so beautifully it has come up. So yeah, we are done with the contouring and bronzing parts, so using only this palette. So isn't it like amazing? Concealer, and you need to put a line over here like this, चीज को हम लोग blend out कर लेंगे. So just see कितना सुंदर like such a precise लग रहा है. So what we will be doing is I'm happy with the contour and the bronzing part, so we will be heading towards blush. So I will be using this one and this this one and this one, and what I will be doing is I will start from here. The excess I'll just take it off because हमको clown face नहीं बनना है, so I will just blend it up, blend. And for the highlighter, I will be using this Hilary Rhoda shade number 1, and I will be using this fan brush, small fan brush, and I will be using this shade. This is such a beautiful shade, you guys, such a beautiful shade. So you need to apply it on your highest points. And guys, this is like such a beautiful shade. You can see like such an amazing thing. So even apply in the bridge of your nose and here. I really wanted to show how exactly I use the eyeshadow palette. So if these are 2 eyeshadow palettes, I got this for 200 and 200, so it is under 500 eyeshadow. This is Rose in the Air, and this is what I will be taking, and मैं इसको बस अपने इसमें stamp करूँगी, so that we'll get the maximum pigmentation. So इसको हम लोग बस stamp in करके will do it, and like this. और ये मैं ऐसे round ही रखूंगी. I won't extend it. We'll see later on कि whether I will be extending it or not. So I will be taking this shade, this orangey shade, and I will just smoke it out. Like I'll place it over here and I will just, smoke it out like this. So yeah, this is what I will be doing, like orange to reddish color. ये थोड़ा सा like ombre effect देगा. I don't know whether you can see it, but ये actually is looking pretty good. नीचे बहुत अच्छे से outline कर लेंगे. Okay, so make sure you always get a link in the sense हमेशा upper and lower का जो भी हम लोग स्मोक आउट करते हैं वो हमेशा एक कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए. लाइकवाइज जैसे हम लोग कॉन्टोर एंड ब्लश लगाते हैं, तो वो भी एक साथ मर्ज होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे कॉन्टोर है उसके बस नेक्स्ट उसमें ब्लश है उसके बाद फिर हाईलाइटर है. ऐसे नहीं दिखना चाहिए. So guys, I will be using this mascara. This is like Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So अभी मैं इसको apply करने वाली हूँ अपने eyes पे. So I will be doing just a normal eyeliner one चीज. So कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है, ये या ये? I think liner would be a better option. Okay, so I'm done with the liner part, and मुझे thick liners बहुत पसंद है. So let's get into the काजल, and मैं white काजल use करने वाली हूँ अपने waterline में, so that ये थोड़ा सा brighten up लगे. So yeah, as you can see, like ये थोड़ा सा आँख को कितना सुंदर lift up कर दिया. So for the lipstick, I will be using my favorite shade, brown shade, that is Take Me to the Park Slope. और ये वही lipstick है जो मैंने अपने पर्पल हॉल में शो करा था. दिस इज लाइक सच अ ब्यूटिफुल लिपस्टिक, यू गाइस. यू कैन सी लाइक सच अ ब्यूटिफुल शेड. इट इज सच अ ब्यूटिफul shade. So yeah, I don't have a setting spray, so please bear with me for that. Like मैंने लाइनर और लिपस्टिक तो लगा लिया, but I feel there's something missing. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope कि आपको ये थोड़ा सा glamorous लगे, because we use the affordable range of the products, and मैंने तो ये सब eye shadow palette से ही किया है. So I hope you will like it, and please let me know कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा.